Oh my gosh, neighbor. Oh my gosh. This Arctic blast blew in, and I just had to stop by real quick. I took care of your trash cans. I brought mine in, brought yours in, because I'm just kind of neighbor that I am, and your windows are open. Looks like you're inside by the fire. Neighbor, well, whatever peels your potatoes, whatever winds your watch, I'll take care of the trash can. Anyway, neighbor, since it's Christmas time, did you hear how much Santa's sleigh costs? How much does it cost? Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Nothing. It's on the house. Merry Christmas, neighbor. Later, go to see at church. Oh my